Oh my God! If you're gonna close your eyes, you will think that it's really Elvis Presley. And he can smile while singing. Grabe, galing mo, Jerome. What's up, everyone? It's me, your Tree John Valencian. Welcome back to True the Asian Diaries. For today, we are back for another reaction video for Jerome Ibardome singing Can't Help Falling in Love. Yes, this is one of my most favorite song of Elvis Presley. Talaga naman super classic at talaga naman hanggang ngayon, ginamit na ng iba't ibang version in movies, 'di ba, sa mga series at talaga namang nasa puso ng bawat Filipino. Yes, and not only the Filipinos, but all around the world, guys. So, sobrang favorite ko tong song na to, and I'm so excited to check this out. Thank you so much for requesting this performance of Jerome Ebardome. Live performance to, guys. Ito yung sa Bataan. And of course, mega love shoutout sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta kay Jerome. And thank you so much din po for watching our reaction video. But before proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh my God, pati yung pagsasalita niya talaga, Elvis Presley. This is the classical one, guys. Grabe. Oh my God! Kuwang-kuha niya yung lambing na boses ni Elvis Presley, guys. Grabe. And that smile of Jerome, so nice. Grabe, makinikilig. Only fools rush in. O, diba? Nagpa-picture na naman sila. Oh my God, napakalambing. Ang sarap pakinggan, guys. If you're gonna close your eyes, you will think that it's really Elvis Presley. Grabe, galing mo, Jerome. That low tone, the diction. Would it be? Would it be? Oh my God! And he's saying it so well. Kahit na naglalakad siya with may marami nagpapapicture. Very professional. Ay! Ang hirap nun, guys, ah. Diba? You're doing your performance while people is approaching you and taking selfies. Sobrang professional. Wow! Oh, diba? Someday. Grabe, yung lambing ng boses and the diction, the way that he's singing it, he captures the nuisance of Elvis Presley. Grabe. Ah, sing along with the audience. That is so sweet. Grabe. And he can smile while singing. Ah, naka-peace out pa siya. Grabe, guys, no? And it's so nice na tulad ng sinasabi ko on my previous reaction, Jerome Ebardome and also Ruel Carino and all the clones, they are like combining the generation of, audience. Kasi, di ba, Jerome and Ruel are just Gen Z, but they have this golden voice that clones the classic icons na yung mga mommies and the Gen Zs together they get to know more of the music before, and it's resonate from these Gen Zs right now. Galing. At naka-leather jacket pa talaga siya, guys. Sobrang init pa naman sa atin. And very approachable. Di ba? Napaka-sweet and approachable niya. Grabe. Oh, ang lambing nung last part na yun. Hey! Grabe, galing. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome singing Can't Help Falling in Love. Grabe yun. Sobrang kuwang-kuha niya yung low notes, yung resonance, and also the nuisance of Elvis Presley. And that sweet vocal, the way that Elvis sang it, he also um, showcasing it during his performance while a lot of people are approaching him, taking pictures, but he's so professional and so approachable. Sobrang, alam mo yung down to earth ng kanyang performance and very, very genuine. Nakakatuwang mapanood. And of course, meron bang yung performance na talaga nasa stage siya tapos hindi siya distracted masyado, guys? You can comment down below. So we will check that out. And of course, thank you so much for watching for today's reaction. That's a wrap. And if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.